Okay. Hole in one only putt putt. Choose your ball.
Wait. First? Oh.
Yeah, I already got it.
Alright. How about you got odds? I got evens.
All right.
Okay. Well, for now, I will be the cameraman. It's all you, buddy.
Watch this. First try. Hole in one.
Hole in one.
Okay.
Oh. Ignore it.
That was my practice. All right.
Come on, you're warmed up
First
now.
try.
Let's see it. First try. Woo! Oh, with finesse? You suck.
How did I just miss that?
Come on, buddy.
How did I miss that? I'm literally a professional.
You're a professional.
First try.
Oh!
What? So too hard? Was that to the right?
No, it went out the right one, but it... Yeah, you missed on the right. To the right of the hole.
No way.
You're a professional Royal Caribbean putt-putter. Come on.
Yeah. I played this before.
Lock in with finesse. We're gonna be so good by the end of this. Oh, yeah. I agree. Is anyone we don't have to hurt ourselves. You can have
That's all out the left again. How did I know?
Kick.
It's
Because you're so good at it. He's so good at doing bad. Don't tell him I said that though. Oh!
It missed?
Yeah.
It just missed? Alright guys.
You went over it.
This
Kind
is all
of.
a joke. I'm actually really good at this. Let me do it right here. Boom, that's it.
Oh!
What?
Too much power.
How?
It went in and out. Oh no.
Oh, okay. That was just good. This is video, guys. That's
Oh! Yes!
Woohoo!
Yippee! Alright, get your ball. On the hole two. If you wonder why we tee off of the rough, that was our own personal rule. I guess this is technically where we should be teeing from. Okay,
Got
fine.
it down the hole.
I'll tee from over here.
On the line.
It'll make it a little bit harder. I really...
Oh. Over the shell?
Oh.
That would be style points, I think.
Plus style points? But we want less points. It's golf, Andy. Come on.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Come on. Come on.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, come on! Give it to me.
So close.
No way! I'm locked, though. I'm locked.
Yeah, he's.
Freaking locked. Check it.
Oh my gosh. Sunglasses on.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Pure. And.
No.
How many times am I gonna go around the freaking rim? I should take my freaking bag off.
Just need it right more.
Too much.
Don't break it too much.
That's it. Now I've gone. Now I've missed on both rims, left and right. This is bogus. Oh no!
Did it just bounce over?
No! No!
That was actually so close.
Oh my gosh. It's so cooked. This is only hole 2, and I'm already choking. Alright, I gotta lock it, I gotta lock it. I didn't see it. Erased from my mind.
No
Is it even
way.
possible? I'm gonna like have a collage. I'm gonna take all of my near misses, put them in like 4x4, 16x16, just all at the same time. That's it. Stop. That's it. This is the most embarrassing thing. I actually had to let people play through because I'm taking too long. You know, maybe some things you're just not good enough to do. No matter how hard you freaking try.
Bang!
Yes! Finally! Yes! Oh my gosh. Hole 3!
Hole 3.
Time for hole 3. Okay, you sure you don't want 2 balls?
Yeah, I just need one. Watch.
Hold on.
Watch this.
Ooh.
So
Close.
it's just pure luck.
No. You have to shoot it down the center or something.
Yeah.
Nothing is
You just
luck.
gotta get it in.
All skill.
This one's the one. Hole in one.
Oh? There's a chance? Oh.
How? How am I meant to do this?
Unlucky. Chance?
Oh, that's it. That's it. I already know.
Nope.
What?
He thinks he's getting it so quickly after all my pain and suffering. Well, we'll see about that.
Watch this. No more pain and
Why are
suffering
we rooting
now.
on your downfall, though? Yeah, I don't think that's going.
You know what, man? That was just for content.
We should be like rooting.
That was just for content. Watch this. No look. Oh, maybe I should look.
I feel like we should be rooting for each other. You know, we're kind of like on a team.
Oh yeah.
Oh, not when you do that though.
What do you mean?
Oh?
That's a lip.
Oh!
This is a lip, guys. This is what I call lip in one.
I think it went up and over, or up and back down.
This is what I call
Unlucky.
lip in one.
Okay. Return to sender.
This is what I call lip in one. Oh yeah, I like that one. Oh, I don't like it. Hey, we were down there.
Alright, here we go. First try right out of the recess.
All right, this is what I call the lip in one.
Oh, that's right over. Oh.
So, it always just goes to the left.
It always goes to the left.
This is what... So like this one?
Maybe. I don't know. I think there's nothing you can. Oh! Yes!
Just like this one, that's what I call
That's what he
lip in
said.
one.
Nice.
That's where you can go.
Okay. On to hole 4. Okay. Hole 4. Simple. First try. Easy. Okay, maybe not. So what do I need? More speed?
Just a bit, I think.
How do I get more speed?
But also, you need to get it in the right hole, though.
I'm gonna try and bounce it off of the left rail. Oh, that was kind of good though.
That was it. That's it.
Bounce it off the left rail. Oh, that has some speed. No way. I'm switching balls. Brother's getting B-roll.
Yep.
Yes.
No way.
We're finding a little bit of consistency though. Oh, too much speed. Oh. Yes! Yes!
Finally.
Oh my gosh. It finally worked out. Let's go. Let's go.
Through the castle.
Through the castle.
Straight out.
Straight out.
This is the one that I call
Easy
Castle
peasy.
One.
First try. Oh, rejected.
How did it go through that?
Bro, you gotta kind of like get it in.
Someone wants to get fun. Hole 5, more like first try.
This guy. How about we only take the cut where it goes in?
Yeah. This is the one that I call
Easy
Castle
peasy.
1.
Oh.
I call this one the Castle in 1. I call this one the Castle in 1.
Nope.
The Castle hole in 1 to checkmate. I call this one the Castle D. I call this one the Castle on the Hill. We call this one the Castle on the freaking hill.
Oh gosh, he's angry.
Hole 5, more like first try.
That was a good one, Eddie.
Hole 5, more like first try. Hole 5, more like first try.
This guy. Oh, rejected. Okay, Andy, I'm gonna need you to put it into the castle. Oh, there we go. That's in. Easy! Bro, finally locked in.
Hole 5, more like first try.
He didn't even say it. On the one he needed to say it. Well done.
That's freaking
Clap and... Yeah, that's all you get. Hey. Okay.
Yeah, this one should be too hard.
This one should be really easy.
Yeah.
I'm
I
going
agree.
bank shot. I just want to try it once. Okay, I want to try it twice. Oh my booty just is too big hitting the back. High best. I wonder, I mean, I could go straight at it probably, but I feel like that's cheating. Hey, we're pivoting. Ricochet off the barrel, too hard. Backboard off of the red truck, impossible. I'm going straight at it. Simple, easy.
Next one in, or else you're buying dinner.
Alright, I'm buying dinner if this one doesn't go in. Dinner on me. Psych! Oh no! Annie, this was a mistake. It's never a mistake.
Nice shot.
Yes. 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 Okay. I'm gonna flip in hole 7.
Okay. Brother iced me. but
I
it's
did
okay.
ice you.
I'm about to hit it first try anyways. Or not.
Do it. First try. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. Yes! Yes!
First try. There we go.
We're just so much better than you.
Yeah, that's you.
We might have to skip this one.
Oh, that's you. But like, maybe you start here and you go, or you go.
Okay, we'll start. Yeah, we'll do that. Here, we'll mark our teeth with this leaf. Here. There we go. Okay. Over the river and to the hole.
Just a bit more power and that's perfect.
Oh, too much. Just a bit more. Go, 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 go!
The wind was pulling it away.
That's it.
Wow. Done.
Easy. Angles. Cash. Yo, we're cooking these last 4 holes.
Yeah. We caught up to them. We're just too good.
We actually did. I think you want to probably go through. I mean, I actually don't know.
That one.
Oh. We're trying to get a hole in one.
I've been there a week and a half already.
Hey, what's this?
Great shot.
That time.
I've got my glasses here if you want.
You might need them.
Come on.
Start-
Might be a 0.
I mean, that was your closest one. This is the last one. Let's freaking. Oh, excuse me.
You guys find the right way to do it.
Thank you, thank you.
Working.
Never give up. It just goes straight.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes! Let's go. Oh my gosh. That took
3 hours.
forever. But you know what? We never gave up.
Nope.
And now we're never playing this puzzle course ever again.
I hate this. I freaking hate this.
but we can say we've aced every hole except for 8 because we had to cheat on that one.
Yeah. I mean, that's awesome.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Well, good work.
Let's freaking go. Fine.
Okay, let's go get water. Head for
Freaking
snackies.
hungry.